do this one?
Through both of them and then back through one. That's it, split them apart, that's it, and then back through that one, that's it.
I can't see! Over the jump, come on! Oh, it's been a while since I've been on a bike, so it's still getting used to a lot of things still. Like the gear change in these boots is a bit hard, so I'm still sort of getting used to it. It's in these ruts. It's all coming back to me slowly. Just gotta get used to these boots. Tell you what, tell I'm unfit. It's been a while since I've been on, but I can sure feel it in my stamina. That was a bit of a dodgy jump. Nearly undone for you. And the first faller. Cut the engine. Fucking Jesus. Sound bro. Oh shit. Fucking Jesus. Oh. Yeah? He just set the fucking gun. Hang on. Stay there, I'm just going to put it in neutral. Jesus Christ. I'm fucked. Where's the joke? How am I supposed to kick it and hold your bike?
You need to put it back in because it'll rev up.
Where is it?
Black knob.
Yeah, I see it. It's these boots, I can't do it. Fuck! I'm burning up, I need to take this helmet off. I need to get these out. I can't breathe.